Hi folks, welcome to the Millbrook Railroad. Here's our plow train. We've added a little bit of weight to our little engine, as you can see. Nice little cement block up there on top. Got a couple of ties on there underneath that block to keep the block off of the motor controller inside there and all the electronics. And excuse me, we've done a little bit of plowing already, as you can see, but there's a whole lot more to do. We've only done about, let's see, about 60 feet, something like that.
Yeah.
Some of it we've shoveled. As you can see, it's melting quickly. So that I did about 2 hours ago with just a shovel. Whee! So let's see what this thing does. Most satisfactory. First, now I got to dig myself out of this. This is the hard part. Pulling it back. There we go. See, a lot of snow gets stuck right behind the plow, and then we have to clear it out by backing up. All right, we'll try it again. Another pass. Shovel that out. Looks like it'll here. So you get stuck behind the plow like that. Just got a couple more feet to go before I've got a wide spot in the snowbank that we cut earlier. Oh, I got her stuck fast. Okay, well, sometimes snow is like cement and flash freezes on you and just gets you stuck. So that's when we dig out the shovel. So I have a shovel on here. I'm going to shovel this out. Oh, the joys of winter railroading. Okay, we got this all cleaned out through the magic of film editing. And let's see what we can do. Let's see if this is still stuck in this spot here. It certainly appears to be.
Hey, Dad, pull back and then try.
Oh, I am. I'll show you here. We are frozen in pretty good here today. Well, that means I just got to dig with this stick. Here, why don't you hold this and point it at what I'm doing.
Okay.
May actually have to take the plow right off to fix this. And you know, I think that's what I'm going to do.
This is how he puts on and takes off the plow. There's some simple clamps. Just going to show you instead. Some clampage.
Clamps.
Another tie.
Flat car stake.
Flat car stake. Yeah.
Lift the seat.
Lift the seat. Lift the seat of stability.
There. Oh, take a look at all this snow behind that plow. It's like a snow sculpture. The reverse snow sculpture of the plow. Alright. Shovel that out. Wow. That's in pretty hard.
Go try to get on this side.
There we go. Alright.
Let's see.
Now I gotta put this thing all back together.
That looks pretty hard, Dad. Oh, hey. Hey, yo.
There we go. Ah, derailed on ice.
That could be the title of the video. Derailed on ice.
Alright. I'm gonna have to put this back on the track now. Let's go slam into some snowbanks here. The reason I pull it back so far is because I got to clear out from behind the plow. Take a good long run at this. We'll go again. Well, now I've done it. I gotta dig that out. Whoa. Well, I guess the engine came disconnected. Well, that's what happened. The coupler opened. Heavy wet snow today. Alright, we're gonna do it this way. You know, it works much better when you plug the controller in. There it is. Doesn't work so well with that unplugged. Gotta get out of the way, I'm gonna get run over. Ugh. Snowed on. I see one of the problems I've got here. Some snow behind the engine. Gotta kick that off to the side. Should have brought the shovel down. Let's give this another shot. Another shot at backing up. And I'm on the ground again. Boy, leaving this spot has turned out to be an ordeal. Alright, I've liberated myself from that snowbank. Let's try to hit it again in the forward direction. Oh, try not to drop the camera. Here we go. Hit this again. Derailed as I hit it. I think that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to shovel the rest of this. Still working on it. Here goes. Another pass. Drop my drink. Just gotta pick that up. There we go. Can't have that sitting there in the way. That's what I gotta clear. Off the backside of the plow here. Give myself enough of a run here. Dug the snowbank back. Maybe not. I just buried myself. Again. up a little further and give myself a better run. So back up to the Woodchuck Run Bridge here.